Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica Skimmer here with another reaction. And today we're here with Stormzy. Stormzy, Mel Made Me Do It. Apparently this piece is a masterpiece. About 6 guys messaged me and said, yo, react. They did also said a lot of stuff might go over my head because I'm not used to the culture. Some things happened in the past. I may not get the reference that he's doing. So, if I do get it wrong, don't blame me. Help me out in the comment section. Please, I'm going to need your help in the comment section to help me on this one. So, this one is 10 minutes and 52 seconds long. I'm going to try and rush it as much as I can without stopping a lot. But if something happened there, I have to stop. Alright? So, we're going to jump into this one and see what Stormzy has said. Because myself, Stormzy, we haven't heard anything from me for a hot minute. So, you're back with something as a banger. Let's go, my G. Let's go.
I'm not going on Connie. No way.
Mommy,
I'm claiming it, man.
claim it. Amen. Claim it.
I said I'm not going on economy.
Yeah, right.
Stormzy is my son.
I've been the GOAT for so long, I guess it's not exciting when I win. Boo-hoo, someone grab the violins. Every time I try a thing, top bins like Hailey when he sings. So of course they don't like me, I'm the king.
It's been a GOAT for so long. It not surprise me when we win. Obviously, I am what I am. It not surprise me, so that's why they posted it don't like me. That's how it's time just said, not me. Let's go.
Tell me why would I reply to him? I leave him hanging like Carrie on the rim. Where do I begin? I wear the 5990 in the gym.
Why would I reply to him? I leave him hanging like... The only person that sent shut off for him recently was Chip. When I say recent, it's not recent, but recent. Was Chip. So is this Chip? Is this a Chip reference?
Sing, so of course they don't like me, I'm the king. Tell me why would I reply to him? I leave him hanging like Carrie on the rim. Where do I begin? I wear the 5990 in the gym. I got a thing for shiny little things. What can I say? I'm like a young black Biden with a trim. Presidential when I'm riding in the bims, taking pictures with my cameraman. I'm shining in my skin. 3 figures, I'm a bammy and I go and sign the thing. I never wonder about who I could have been. Car I'm it. Rose gold frosted or ceramic.
Basically, he must say, yo, I never wonder about who I could have been because I am it. Basically, I say, yo, I have no regrets. I didn't wish I'd do anything different. Everything when I do, work out in my favor, and I am the person who I am today because of that, because of the decision I make from a younger age. So, him not envy nobody, him a him.
I never wonder about who I could have been, car I'm it. Rose gold frosted or ceramic. Told bro spin it so we span it. We are not the same big mics from a whole different top bins, what a set piece.
We are not the same big mics from a whole different planet, boy! You hear that? We are not this blood clot same. Different clot we cut out are different.
So we span it. We are not the same big mics from a whole different top bins. What a set piece thing it internet. Could have Jet Li kick him till he bled. And I'm rent free living in their head. What's that quote? All killing with success. Talking smoke, please give it all up. Still dripping in finesse. Man, I got figures and flows. I'm a different kind of F. Got a Lambo and a Rose. That's a different kind of check. And I said.
He's just flaunting what he's got now. Rightfully so. He deserves it. He just didn't know him off. Like, bro.
Figures and flows. I'm a different kind of F. Got a Lambo and a Rose. That's a different kind of check. And I said I was the GOAT. They didn't listen when I...
Mercury. King of Mercury. Hashtag Mercury. What? You see it?
Hello and welcome to Mel Made Me Do It.
And we've got some great guests lined up for you today on the programme tonight. We've got Louis Theroux,
Jonathan Rasbigo,
Dina Asher Smith, and
Dina.
the one and only Stormzy. Looking good, Mike. I like you. Look like a big.
Oh, so did Stormzy go up on Jonathan Rush show before? So this is a different setting. Stormzy is recreating something great that happened, really?
I tried today.
A juicy big grape.
I tried today. Thank you very much.
So everyone loved the tour. Congratulations. But what we want to know is, well, what's on your mind right now?
Anytime I do a big flex, just ignore me. Niggas wanna hear my side of the story. Niggas wanna hear a nigga chat like it's Maury. Fuck that, you niggas better bask in my glory. They call me to slide through the store, I'm so pattern. To be fair, we don't go hatting. We don't tell lies. I think the kids kids call it no capping. The boys rough.
I love it.
The bask in my glory, they call me to slide through the store, I'm so pattern. To be fair, we don't go hatting, we don't tell lies. I think the kids call it no capping. The boys rough, but the flow satin. I J hustle and I'm all stacking. They wanna catch me on the roads lacking. You better pray that it don't happen. And I don't sell drugs, still I'm dope rapping. Have your whole cat and stiff chocolate with a book. To be fair, I don't feel Twitter. Getting told I'm not a real spitter by some broadcast bill splitter. Listen, nigga.
Yo, this is greatness, bro. This is a fucking masterpiece. Well, I'm 2 minutes in, 2 minutes 30 seconds in. This is a fucking masterpiece, bro. You have Usain Bolt, fastest human alive, dog. You have Jonathan Ross, TV legend. You have Louis, documentary legend. You have Asha Dina. Bro, come on, dog. Like, come on, bro.
Bigger fish to fry like. If I ever see your girlfriend in Dubai, oh lord. Party on the boat, she's on board. And the Birkin is a bag you can't afford. And she like one. Do the maths, you ain't the right one. It's alright, son. We send her back before.
You got Birkin. if you ever see a woman in a Dubai, remember me tell her she party on boat. And she on board.
And she like one. Do the maths, you ain't the right one. It's alright, son. We send her back before the night's done. I wrote one, like one, 8 out of 10. She's my height one. Think of a hit, then I write one on when I sight one.
The fuck, bro? This is some flows from what? This is like a Dave kind of flow. Like that's the one I'm getting here.
The right one. It's alright, son. We send her back before the night's done. I wrote one, like one, 8 out of 10. She's my height one. Think of a hit, then I write one on when I sight one. This my Ghanaian flow. It's a tight one.
Bro, Bomboclat! This is my Ghanaian flow. It's a type 1. You know the flow different, bro. I know the flow was fucking different, dog. Like, come on, G. Come on, G.
8 out of 10. She's my height one. Think of a hit, then I write one on when I sight one. This my Ghanaian flow, it's a tight one. If she pretty, then I put her on a flag. I put her on a jet if a pussy. Wait.
Stop it! Calm down! Bomboclat! The whole house just. No, you won't put her on the flight if her pussy tight, Storms, eh? Change that!
Then I put her on a flag. I put her on a jet if a pussy. Wait. Look, my nephews are listening. My chef should be Michelin. There's guests in my kitchen, and my left wrist is guessing in my tunes getting.
Yo, this is banging, dog, bro. Stop this. That big up the video personnel. Big up the the team around this project, yo. Cause this is this is not a song. This is a fucking project. Big up the team around this project, bro. This is a masterpiece, dog. Yo!
Listen, my chef should be Michelin. There's guests in my kitchen, and my left wrist is guessing in my tunes getting played from a set to a christening. They're pissed on the net, cause I said I ain't dissing them. Real niggas know us all positioning. Real niggas know I'm not the victim of rap. I am. I'll take the L, they hype the gram. They tell their jokes despite the man. I feed my folks, they bite my hand. I do the most, I'll fly to Cannes.
I feed my folks, they bite the hand. Basically, you're my tell say you're my people running, I used to have running, but you feed them and then turn on and bite them hand. Them are grateful and disrespectful.
Their jokes despite the man. I feed my folks, they bite my hand. I do the most, I'll fly to Cannes to watch a film, then bite a rat. Headline redundant leads like it's easy. Funny when they talk about their game card needs me. Niggas when they hear a nigga spill it out is easy. Fuck that, you niggas didn't know that I'm greasy. It's easy. Man talk shit until they see me. Believe me, all you niggas give me heebie-jeebies. Word to Lauren, I will die on this hill. You little niggas 2-figure shit.
Reference to Lauren Hill. Word to Lauren, I would die on this hill. Lauren Hill. Reference to Lauren Hill, the great singer.
Niggas give me heebie-jeebies. Word to Lauren, I will die on this hill. You little niggas 2-figure shy on my deal. Someone slide me the bill. Okay, I got it. Well, my eyes don't see the Messiah reveals. If it all goes left, give Josiah my will. Cause I guess I'm just a brother that are dying to kill off. Your boy's mad dark, still I shine like a grill. Yeah, I'm healthy and I'm blessed, but I rhyme like I'm ill. Linebacker holding down the line like Khalil. Ooh. I live a life that they tried to fulfill, so they hate on my name but admire my skill. And before I touch stage, got a wire my mill. My niggas do drill, that was prior to drill. If you see me with my draggers looking fly in the field, no Khaleesi couldn't fathom all the fire I spill, nah.
Fuck, come and watch it,
You
dog.
old wash niggas should retire for real. There's a time you should move and a time to be still. There's a time to destroy and a time to rebuild. But all I see is washed up godfathers and washed up podcasters. I own all my masters, I ain't got masters.
Am I thinking what I'm thinking here? All I see is washed up godfathers. Who calls himself as the grime godfather? Is he talking about that person? I don't know. Leave it in the comment section for me. I don't know. I'm asking you guys. It's time to talking about the godfather of grime in this bar here. Listen.
I see as washed up godfathers. Time to be still, there's a time to destroy and a time to rebuild. But all I see is washed up godfathers and washed up podcasters. I own all my masters, I ain't got masters. I throw a party on the yacht and wear my yacht master. They think I just chart top, but I'm the top chart. I gaffer like the Scott Park.
I think I just I'm the top chart. Yo, don't get it twisted, you know. Don't get it twisted, bro.
Party on the yacht and
I'm trying to make this video not as long as it should be, but it long.
wear my yacht master. They think I just chart top, but I'm the top chart. I gaffer like the Scott Parker. For when the man them used to rock Parkers. I am nasty, but I'm not Marcus. Genius, I could have clocked Harvard. My niggas slide, but they are not dancers. Dead rappers wanna swap charges. No, I mean they wanna swap stances. No, I mean they wanna trade places. Get to scrapping like I ain't famous. Have you dashing like you're Dwayne Chambers. Follow fashion, man, you fake greatness. To make a classic, yeah, it takes ages. But I still do it like my mate David. No, I mean like my bro Dave.
I still live like a mate David. Who you mate?
Classic, yeah, it takes ages. But I still do it like my mate David. No, I mean like my bro Dave. Near miss, that's a close shave.
My mate David. No, I mean my bro Dave. You know what, Dave. Yeah.
Still do it like my mate David. No, I mean like my bro Dave. Near miss, that's a close shave. They fear this, but they won't say I'm the nearest on a cold day. They love to talk about the old days. The man are old like Annie, are you okay? I prefer not to speak.
They're not gonna talk about the old days. The man are old like, man, Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? You've been it bad. You've been that smooth. Give me that.
They love to talk about the old days. The man are old like Annie, are you okay? I prefer not to speak like I'm Jose.
So I prefer.
Jose Marino.
Like Annie, are you okay? I prefer not to speak like I'm Jose.
So I prefer really not to speak. If I speak, I am in big trouble.
The fucking get that? I'm get the money in them video. Oh, you do it, Stormzy? Usain Bolt, Louis, Jonathan Ross, Asha, Jose, yo!
Annie, are you okay? I prefer not to speak like I'm Jose.
So I prefer really not to speak. If I speak, I am in big trouble.
This is what I meant when I said what I said. I got whips in my drive, pretty women in my bed. My accolades are bigger than my head. Stylo told me kill him to their dead.
The killing them I carry one in the head. Dan dada, kick off face with bank robber.
Bomb! Bomb! Couple more at I nanko. Shanko nanka.
This is what I meant when I said what I said. I got whips in my
Stylo!
drive, women in my bed. My accolades are bigger than my head. Stylo told me kill him to their dead.
The killing them I carry one in the head. Dan dada, kick off face with bank robber.
The killing them I carry one in the head. Dandada, kick off face with bank robber. Who don't know what bank robber is? Bank robber is a farmer. It's a Clark. It's a Clarks. Call it bank robber. It's a Clark shoes. You know Jamaican of them Clark shoes. Make it represent for the part. Like, you don't know me a couple Clarks. I'm a class him. You know what I'm
They're dead.
The killing them I carry one in the head. Dan dada, kick off face with bank robber.
If it's a ting, then I just pattern it like Trev. Man, I got text like I'm Killian, punch like I'm Dillian. Walk in the gym and I bump into William. The S on my chest, yeah, that stands for success, but the M on my hairline stands for my millions.
Oh God! You can't talk about him hairline no more, Chip. He's telling you leave my hairline alone, Chip. My M on my L stands for million. The S on my stands for success. That is what he said, yes.
The S on my chest, yeah, that stands for success, but the M on my hairline stands for my millions. I got a brilliant car, I got a brilliant team. They wanna bring up my past because I'm living my dream. What we achieved in a shock, how we knew it. We just stepped through clean and say, Mel made me do it.
Wow. Just said as a Mel made you do it. Who's this now? Yo, this is a fucking masterpiece, dog. Big up the creativity team, man. Big up the creation team. Again.
there's not enough space in my wardrobe. Bench art fitted on my waist and my torso. Niggas keep on thinking I'm a chief, but you thought so. Chatty patty niggas, man, you niggas need a talk show. I've never seen real dons turn loose women. Sleep real good, fresh.
I've never seen real done turn loose woman. Jesus Christ, man, my fire some shot. Some shot of fire, some subs in this of fire, some references and some subs. I know a lot of it probably gone over my head already. What we did? 6 minutes in, nearly 7 minutes. A lot of it gone over my head already. Like I said, leave it in the comment section when we get wrong, guys. Leave it in the comment section.
Man, you niggas need a talk show. I've never seen real dons turn loose women. Sleep real good, fresh sheets, new linen. If we ever played a game called Guess Who's Winning and you open up the door, I'll be in the room chilling. There will never be a time when me and you's twinning. Why? Different status, my chick's the baddest, you know that. Bag Chanel, the trips to Paris. And if your boy's a king, the bits a palace, a K. 302s that I sell out. Man, I'm such a sellout. Might fuck around and bring a Dell out. Me and Flips don't talk like we fell out. I'll get the hell out. All this shit I gotta spell out. Please, A-double-L-O-W, me. Every time I double I'll sell out. Might fuck around and bring a Dell out. Me and Flips don't talk like we fell out. I'll get the hell out. All this shit I gotta spell out. Please.
Me and Flips don't talk like we fell out. Basically, that could mean two different things. That could mean said them not talk, them fell out, or which I don't think it is. Or next meaning could be them not upon a whole heap of long talking. Shh, them not talk to people like them fell out. That's the one I'm getting from this part.
Me and Flips don't talk like we fell out. I'll get the hell out. All this shit I gotta spell out. Please, A-double-L-O-W, me. Every time I double plat, they gotta double my P. I was double spread mine, now I cover ID. Wouldn't cover for you tickets if you covered mine. Oh, I knew they wouldn't like it if I blow. Got all you niggas rattled, but you hide it on the low. I'm from the city where they're riding with the poor. Now my nephews can't believe that Spider-Man's my bro. Shout Tom, that's my guy. On top till we die. Yeah, I skip through the world. Hopscotch to Dubai. There's a lot to divide, but my God will provide. Couldn't get to where I'm going if you hopped in my...
Today, we speak about foundation. Many great black influential giants have touched people from soul to soul throughout many generations. It's often the word greatness comes to mind, but footballing legends like Ian Wright make greatness come to sight.
Bombo Clad Stamps. How long have you been planning this video, bro? How long, bro? I've been a legend in that video, bro.
Our DNA empowers us. We can make a song and dance out of anything. Woo. Our genes are enriched. It seems there is not a seam out of place in our fabric. Can smoke and be woke. And although sometimes we may be introverted, we're all alone in this. Brothers and sisters, families in business, flipping the scripts, screaming from the rooftops, echoing the unheard voices and writers. This time will be timeless. So with or without signal, we're major.
Black kings and queens.
Gabrielle once told us, dreams can come true. And that sentence emancipated the minds of our pioneers. Brick by brick, a safe house and garage was opened in each community. Self-sustainable and vulture-resistant. Self-belief meant that the culture was left in the hands of the culture, and the revolution was re-energized the moment it was televised. I need to remind you, this is not a phase. This is phase 1. Almost lights, camera, action after take 1. This isn't divide and conquer, this is provide and prosper. This isn't destroy and rebuild. This is I love my future more than I hate parts of my history. You've seen what we put together when we come together. You're living in it. So let us reign in honor of the wind rushing through our veins, leaving suffering and pain. Will we ever be the same? Not any storms could have weathered the storm, but when you are who you are, you can't run from the journey, the expectations, or the destination. We're here now.
I got TJ telling me we're done, said I thought I got an hour left. Oh man, my enemies are out of breath. I pray, then I fast, then I counter press.
What the fuck? Bro, that speech is one of the most powerful speech I've ever heard in the past 10 years, bro. Like, no joke, bro. I feel every second of it, bro. When you say them have the wind rushing through their blood, the wind rushing through their blood. That's a reference to the Windrush generation that the British government did dirty. You understand, bro?
Before I got an hour left, all my enemies are out of breath. I pray, then I fast, then I counter press. Spent a week in the sticks, but tonight I'm at my South address. Oh, you know how it gets. Holy Spirit, that's just how I'm blessed. 20 bags from my shower head, a nigga got a shower fresh. You little boys are out your depth. Know I got ash full on the yard and Yanni on the rap. I mean, I'm Yanni on the rap. I'm the best at what I do, they think I'm bragging on the track. But I'm flexing cars true, and if you went and ran it back, you know I left you with the truth. Cause the cars don't make you this lit, the money don't make you this good, the plaques don't make you this cold. Give a fuck what my shit sold. I bust around when I'm in flip mode, you pricks know.
I bust a rhyme when I'm in flip mode. Bust a rhyme, flip mode squad, bust a rhymes. Ooh.
It's cold, give a fuck what my shit sold. I bust around when I'm in flip mode, you pricks know. The boy is just way too nice, so you always see my music on the shelf. I've been the GOAT for so long that they never hype a nigga up, so I guess I gotta do it to myself, boy.
I've been a GOAT for so long they never hype a nigga up, so I guess I got to do it for myself. Them not hype him up like, bro, big up the director, bro. Bro, the fuck I just watch, bro? What am I just watch? This is one of the most powerfulest thing I've seen, bro. This is not even a song. This is a fucking movie. This is a short movie, dog. Stormzy. To you, my sir. To you, Black King. Salute to you, Black King. No joke, bro. I don't have much to say. All I want you guys to do is let me know which part I missed in the comment section, please. Me know me miss a lot. It's a 10-minute video. Come on, like, come on. This reaction at 22 minutes so far. We don't want to go no further. This is how I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoyed the one, I want to see more from your G. Leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Nothing much change.